What a good cat.
Found the mouse.
So mouse probably
Look at her. She's looking up like it's climbing up the back.
Here, and it went back on the sink. Oh. But when I saw it, I was like, oh shit, that's a big one.
Cat's trying to tell us it's up.
Yeah, look at her. She keeps looking up. Look at her. She's looking at.
Like it's
Open the drawer. Ooh, open this.
Oh, open the other one.
Yeah, it's gonna be on the side of the counter thing.
What did they come cool? There might be a hole for the plumbing.
All right, so it looks like the mouse is underneath.
Look. Is that the mouse?
Is that the Is that the mouse?
Come down here.
Get the mouse. Come on.
Come down here.
Come on, Maynard. Get the mouse.
Maynard, come down here.
So you can try to grab it.
I'm not gonna grab that fucking mouse.
No, I'm not grabbing the mouse either. I don't know my rabies shots. Oh, there we go.
Yeah,
So that thing. This cat is gonna fucking pounce. Watch this.
Open the door.
Come on.
Open the door. Maynard, come on. Come on. Go get it. Go get it.
No.
Wrong way. Wrong way. Which way did it go?
It's in out there. It's in here.
It went under the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did it fit under the door?
They do that. They got
Yeah.
squishy bodies.
They can fit through like nothing.